Okay, so just a cattle tip. I'll try to talk over all the bawling cows. We just prick check these cows. The calves just got weaned. I want to show you how to do an epidural. An epidural is really important anytime you are dealing with the dystocia, difficult calving, prolapse. Very important, very practical skill. Really pretty easy to do. You use lidocaine, 2% lidocaine. I like to draw up about 10 cc's on an average, 1,100 pound cow. I like to use 1.5 inch 18 gauge needle. So this is how you do it. It's called the hanging drop method. First you palpate the cow and you find this hinge point. The tail is bending right there. Not here, not here. It's right there at that hinge point. You notice the tail, it's got a lot of tone in it. The tail is strong. When I'm done, it'll be like a dish rag and just limp and floppy. And it's gonna anesthetize this whole rear end of the cow. And when you're trying to, correct a bad positioning on a calf, the cow is pushing against you. So you've heard of a tug of war, it's kind of a push of war. So if you do this, the cow doesn't push back against you and allows you to push the calf in and then correct the malpresentation. You see this hinge point, you can feel it. I'm feeling it with my finger. It's right there, it's not here. It's not here, everything moves together. It's right there. And so I take that needle, go dead center. I'm a little bit pointing forward. Just push a little bit. And I like to put a cc in, and now that kind of numbs that spot for her. And then I leave a little drop on the top. And there's a vacuum inside there. When I hit the spot, it'll suck it in. Okay? It's sucked in my drop. That means I'm inside that epidural space. I like to put about 8 or 9 cc's. And that's it. And I pull it out. And then in a moment, you'll see all this tail is just loosey-goosey, nice and floppy. Okay? And that's how I know that it worked. And then you can work on the cow. Replace a prolapse, reposition a malpositioned calf, and it makes your life so much easier. It's very simple. Bottle of lidocaine is under 10 bucks. Use about, like I say, maybe 10 cc's. So very, very useful. See, there it is. Very useful skill.